The Lenovo S5 houses an 18:9 aspect ratio supporting IPS LCD display of 5.7 inches. It offers FHD and resolution of 2160 x 1080 pixels. The Snapdragon 625 chipset is present under the hood of the phone. It comes in 3GB and 4GB RAM options and 32GB, 64GB, and 128GB storage variants. The handset is fueled by a 3,000 mAh battery. A fingerprint scanner is present on the backside of the phone, which also houses an LED-enabled 13-megapixel dual camera setup. The dual rear cameras include a monochrome sensor and an f/2.2 aperture RGB sensor. The front-facing 16-megapixel can shoot good quality selfies by enhancing the facial features. The selfie camera can be also used for facial recognition. Apart from snapping impressive shots, the camera app is able to scan QR code and barcode. It is running on the latest ZUI 4.0, a customized version of Android Aria. Instead of on-screen buttons, the ZUI offers Lenovo S5 users with touchscreen gestures. As far as the pricing, the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage model of the Lenovo S5 is priced at $999 $157. The 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant costs $1,199 $189. The highest configuration model featuring 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage carries a pricing of $1,499 $236. Lenovo has already started the receiving reservations of the phone. The handset will be available for buying from March 23rd. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today we are unboxing Lenovo S5 smartphone, so let's get started. The Lenovo S5 houses an 18:9 aspect ratio supporting IPS LCD display of 5.7 inches. It offers FHD and resolution of 2160 x 1080 pixels. The Snapdragon 625 chipset is present under the hood of the phone.